UV light is a powerful disinfection tool against many viruses, harmful bacteria, mold, and spores. The solution is one of the most effective and safest in sanitizing the COVID-19 coronavirus, as it does not require any contact with the surface or object. But how does UV light eliminate microbes? And how does it compare to using traditional liquid-based cleaning or sanitation? Specifically, the UVC range, which covers wavelengths ranging from between 200 nanometers and 280 nanometers, is capable of eliminating viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores, including the COVID-19 coronavirus, severe acute respiratory syndrome, Middle East respiratory syndrome, E. coli, yeast, and more. This solution is being used in large-scale wastewater treatment, medical facilities, laboratories, manufacturing, food processing, and hospitals. How does it work? During the disinfection process, UVC light targets the DNA of the microbe. Exposure to the light causes thymine dimers to form in the DNA. As more thymine dimers are formed, damage starts to accumulate inside the DNA. Bumps also appear in the DNA as a result of the dimers. These cellular mutations negatively affect growth, and the risk of non-repair increases. Eventually, the damage becomes too extensive and the cell dies. DNA replication is stopped, which reduces infection or the spread rate of the virus. UVC light and viruses. UV light has been tested as an effective solution against a myriad of viruses. According to an article published in Journal of Virological Methods, SARS caused by the coronavirus is eliminated through exposure to UV light in the 254 nanometer range. In a study published in the U.S. National Institutes of Health's National Library of Medicine, UVC light deactivated MERS-CoV within 5 to 10 minutes of exposure. When it comes to the latest outbreak of COVID-19, UV light has been confirmed to be effective in eliminating the virus by Juan Leon, an environmental health scientist at Emory University, and Dr. Lena Sirik, an associate professor at University College of London. UVC treatment is already proven to work on previous strains of the coronavirus. Therefore, it makes sense for the light to be used against COVID-19. Best practices. Unlike liquid cleaning agents, no contact with the surface or device is required when sanitizing with UVC light. There is no downtime after sterilization. The area or equipment can be used immediately after disinfection.